Hello, welcome. Let's see how far we can go with this question. BECE 2022. The BECE will be written again somewhere in July, I think, first week in July. So let's see how we can revise some of the past questions to keep us abreast with what we'll be expecting. So given that P is factors of 36 and Q is also factors of 54, we have to list the members in the set P and Q and hence find P intersection Q and find the number of P intersection Q and find the highest common factor of 36 and 54. All right. In listing, we are being asked to list factors. So we need to just begin with factors. We know factors of 36 are the numbers that can divide 36 without a remainder. And those numbers that can easily divide. We know 1 is a factor of every number. So we begin with 1. So 1, I'm having 36. So since 1 is the first number we have 1 and 36. Now let's see, apart from 1, if 2 can also divide. We know, can 2 also divide 36? I guess that will be 18 times. So this is going to be 2 times 18, give us 36. So our factor will be 2, then the 18. Don't forget we have 36 at the end there. Then we also try and see if 3 can also divide. We know 3 can also go here. That will be 12 times. So we are having 3 and that of 12. How about 4? 4 can also divide. That will be 9 times. So I have 4. Then I have the 9. I think 5 will not be able to divide that because it ends with 6. So let's take 6. 6 will divide 36 6 times. So it means 6 times 6 give us 36. And since we can't repeat a factor, we are going to have our 6. The least number from here will be 9. Then we have 12 and 12. Okay, 12 and 18, sorry. Then finally we have what? 36. So the factors of 36 is going to be 1, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, and 18 and 36. All right, let's find that of Q, which is going to be factors of 54, which obviously 1 will be the first factor. So if you have our 54 out there, we can have 2. Let's try 2 because it's ending with an even number. So 2 can divide. So we have 54. 2 will go here 2 times. 2 times this will be 4. So we have 7. 27 times, right? So I have my 2 and 27. Let's try 3. 3 will go into 5. I guess 1 time. So we have 3, remainder of 2. So 3 into 24, that will be 8 times, right? So you are going to have 3 and 18. So 18 down there. I believe 4 cannot go because 4 will go here 1. Remember 1. So 4 cannot go into 14. So we move on to 5 cannot go. So let's take 6. 6 can go. Even though we can't divide it directly by the first number, 6 can go with all of them 9 times. So we have our 6, then we have 9. The next factor after 6 will have been 7. And 7 cannot go, 8 cannot go, it will be 9. So we begin with 9, 18, 27, and 54 itself. So these are the factors of 54. So there's follow-up question for number, this is the I, right? Then the II, the alpha, is asking for the intersection of P and Q. Simply put, the element that we can see in P the same time seen in what? Q. Those elements that are repeated in the two sets. So 1 is common. We can see, let me put it down here. the set of 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, no 4, 6, 6, 9, 9, 12, no 12, 18, what again? Okay, so that would be the intersection of P and Q. Then to follow up with the beta, we are looking out for number of P intersection Q. You know, this N here means that how many elements are present in that set. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer is going to be 6. There are 6 elements present in that. All right. Then let's see the gamma, the last one. We are asked to find the highest common factor. Highest common factor. Let's forget about the highest and think of common factor. Factors that are common to both the 36 and that of 54. Common, meaning that is the intersection. The numbers that are common to both the P and Q are their intersection. So these are the common factors of P and Q. The highest among them is going to be 18, meaning 18 can divide 54. The same time, it can also divide what? 36. So that gives us the highest common factor. I guess the concept is clear. Good. Come back for the B part of the same question in the next episode. Bye-bye.